CrossFit has exploded in popularity, captivating fitness enthusiasts with its intense workouts, competitive atmosphere, and strong sense of community. But with high-intensity exercise comes a greater risk of injury. How can you enjoy the benefits of CrossFit while minimizing the risks? Are there specific strategies that can help keep you safe as you push your limits? This article explores effective injury prevention methods, shedding light on common causes of injuries in CrossFit, and providing practical tips to ensure your workouts remain both challenging and safe. By understanding the risks and adopting preventive measures, you can maintain your health while achieving your fitness goals. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive limited-time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. In CrossFit, the combination of high intensity and complex movements can lead to injuries if not managed properly. Understanding the common causes of injuries is the first step toward prevention. One of the primary factors is overtraining. In the excitement of competition or personal progress, athletes often push themselves beyond their limits, leading to fatigue and increased risk of strains or sprains. Another significant cause is incorrect form or technique. CrossFit incorporates a wide range of movements, from Olympic lifts to gymnastics. If you lack proper instruction or focus, you could be at risk for injury. Overexertion is also a common problem. Attempting to lift too much weight or perform exercises beyond your current skill level can result in muscle tears or joint damage. Inadequate warm-up and cool-down routines are additional culprits. Without properly preparing your muscles and joints, you're more susceptible to injury. Likewise, using improper or worn-out equipment can compromise your safety, whether it's faulty barbells or shoes with poor grip. Ignoring early signs of discomfort can escalate minor issues into more serious injuries. That's why it's crucial to be aware of your body's signals and take preventive measures. In the next section, we'll explore specific practices that can help you stay safe while enjoying the high-intensity world of CrossFit. Preventing injuries in CrossFit requires a multifaceted approach that addresses proper technique, body awareness, and recovery. This section provides an overview of best practices that will help you stay safe while maximizing the benefits of your workouts. A. Proper form and technique. Maintaining proper form is crucial in CrossFit, where exercises range from heavy lifting to high-intensity cardio. Start by learning the correct technique for each movement from a certified trainer. This minimizes the risk of strains, sprains, or more serious injuries. Regular feedback and coaching are key. Even experienced athletes need occasional corrections. When lifting, keep your back straight, engage your core, and avoid excessive momentum. B. Adequate warm-up and cool-down. Warming up before a CrossFit session primes your muscles and joints for the intensity ahead. A dynamic warm-up involving light cardio and mobility exercises increases blood flow and flexibility. Examples include leg swings, arm circles, and lunges. After your workout, a cool-down period allows your heart rate to return to normal and reduces muscle stiffness. Static stretching during this time helps improve flexibility and prevents delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS. C. Progression and rest. To avoid overtraining, increase intensity and weight gradually. The no pain, no gain mentality can lead to burnout or injury if taken too far. Follow a structured program that includes rest days to allow your body to recover. Adequate sleep and nutrition also play a role in recovery, supporting muscle repair and growth. D. Listening to your body. One of the most important aspects of injury prevention is learning to listen to your body. If you feel pain, discomfort, or unusual fatigue, stop and assess the situation. Pushing through these signs can worsen existing injuries or create new ones. Seek medical advice if needed, and don't hesitate to adjust your training to accommodate your body's needs. E. Cross-training and flexibility. Incorporating cross-training into your routine can help prevent overuse injuries. Activities like yoga, swimming, or cycling offer low-impact alternatives that promote flexibility and overall fitness. This variety can also keep your workouts interesting and reduce the risk of repetitive strain. By following these best practices, you can minimize the risk of injury and maintain a sustainable approach to CrossFit. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into additional safety tips and best practices that can further enhance your CrossFit experience. This includes selecting the right gym, using proper equipment, and maintaining proper hydration and nutrition. In addition to the foundational practices of proper technique, progression, and rest, CrossFit enthusiasts should also consider a few additional safety tips and best practices. These extra precautions can help you maintain a consistent, injury-free routine. A. Selecting a reputable CrossFit box. Where you train plays a significant role in your safety. When choosing a CrossFit box, gym, look for one with certified trainers who emphasize safety and proper technique. A reputable box will also have well-maintained equipment and enforce safety guidelines. Seek out reviews or testimonials from current members to gauge the overall environment and approach to injury prevention. B. Using proper equipment. Equipment is at the heart of CrossFit workouts, from barbells to pull-up rigs. Ensure that all equipment is in good condition and appropriate for your workout level. Faulty or worn-out equipment can lead to accidents. Additionally, consider using safety gear when necessary, like knee sleeves for squats or wrist wraps for overhead movements. These can provide extra support and stability during intense sessions. C. Monitoring nutrition and hydration. Staying properly fueled and hydrated is key to injury prevention. Adequate nutrition supports muscle growth and recovery, while hydration keeps your muscles functioning optimally. Ensure you're consuming a balanced diet with sufficient protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before and after workouts. By focusing on these areas, you create a safer CrossFit environment for yourself and those around you. The benefits are twofold. You not only reduce the risk of injury, but also optimize your performance. To further reduce the risk of injury in CrossFit, consider a few additional strategies. First, cross-training offers a balanced approach to fitness. Activities like yoga, swimming, or light jogging can improve flexibility and cardiovascular health while giving your body a break from high-intensity CrossFit workouts. This variety can help prevent overuse injuries and maintain long-term fitness. Education and awareness are equally important. Stay informed about CrossFit safety practices and seek ongoing feedback from coaches to fine-tune your technique. Community support can also play a crucial role. A supportive CrossFit community encourages accountability and keeps you motivated to prioritize safety. Remember, the key to injury prevention is consistency. By following the safety tips outlined here and integrating cross-training and education into your routine, you'll reduce the risk of injury while reaping the benefits of CrossFit. Keep your workouts safe, listen to your body, and stay on track to achieve your fitness goals.